In this video, I would like to show you with a basic using Windows 10. 1. Change the PC name. First, click on box search and then tap control panel in the box and we'll see the control panel app able the box. And after, click on app. Next, click on this button and then choose category. And after, click user account and then click on it. And next, click change the account name. In the box, insert your password. You can insert your text or number. And after, click change name. Your PC name was changed. 2. Change profile PC. I will to change my profile PC here. First, I click on button start and then click on profile and next click on change account setting and next click on browse for one. It will show you a small template and after I choose the picture from my device computer, click the pictures that you want to show on your PC's photo and next click on close pictures and your profile PC will change. 3. Set a PC password. First, click on box search and then tap control panel and after click on app. Click user account here and then click on user and after click on create a password. There are 3 boxes. First box, insert your password and the second box, insert the same password with the first box. Next, click create a password. Now check result altogether. Click on button start and sign out your PC and your PC will got the password. 4. Remove PC password. Click on user and after click create a password. Insert the old password and next click change password. Next, close. If you want to check the result, click on start and then sign out your computer. 5. Change desktop background. First, right-click on desktop and then click on personalize. And after, click change background. And your desktop background will change after you click it. 6. Change color taskbar. First, click on start and after click settings. Next, click personalization and after click on color here. Next, click on box and then choose custom and then choose dark. Scroll down. Choose the color, which one that you need, and then check on box. Your taskbar will change color after you click replace it. 7. Move taskbar. This is an example. I want to move taskbar here. First, left click on taskbar and move to the left, to the top, to the right. You can do it on your PC. H. Make small taskbar icons. Here is a taskbar icon, and I want to make it small. First, right click on taskbar and click Setting Taskbar. Turn on this button. Check the result. The icon on taskbar will small. 9. Make auto taskbar. First, right click on taskbar and choose taskbar setting. Next, turn on automatically. Check your result. The taskbar will show auto after you put my on the taskbar. 10. Icon desktop. I will to show icon desktop. This is example. First, click on Start, and after, click Setting. Click Personalization. And next, click on Theme. And then click Desktop Icon Settings. It will show you a small template. Please select the icon that you want to show on desktop. And next, click OK. Check the result on desktop altogether. All selected icons will show on desktop. 11. Like icon desktop. First, right click on desktop, hover mouse on view, and then click Large icon. Check result together. All icon on desktop is a bigger. 12. Small icon desktop. First, right click on desktop, and then hover on view. Next, click medium or small icon, so the icon on desktop will small. 13. High icons desktop. First, right click on desktop, hover on view, click uncheck show desktop icons, and the result, the icon on desktop will hide. If you want to show the icon desktop, please follow the same step. 14. Change time and date. First, I want to change the time from 1 to 2. I click on box search and then type control panel in the box. Click on app. Click on category. Choose small icons. Next, click date and time. And next, click on this button. And after, click here, and then insert your time. Click OK. Check the result. The time will change from 1 to 2. And if you want to change that, you can click on this button the same, and then choose that you want to change. Next, click OK. Check the result. The date will change after you click it. (15) Connection Wi-Fi. First, click on here, and then choose your network connection. Insert your password. Click here to show your password. Click Next. Your password connection success. One more, if you want to check the password Wi-Fi, you can do that. (16) Check Wi-Fi password. First, click on box search. Tap Control Panel in the box. Click App. Click on Network and Sharing Center. Click on Wi-Fi. Next, click Wireless Property. Click on Security. Check it box. The password will show to you. (17) Share Wi-Fi from PC. First, click on Start. And after, click Setting. Next, click Network and Internet. And after, click on Mobile Hotspot. Turn on button this one. And next, click Edit to show the name of network and password to your device you want to share. 18. Connection Bluetooth. Click here. Right click on Bluetooth. Click on Go to Settings. Turn on your Bluetooth here. Click Add Bluetooth or other device. Click on Bluetooth. Click the name of the Bluetooth that you want to connection. This here success. 19. Add default browser. First, click on Start. Click on Settings. Click on App. And then click Default Apps. Next, click on Web Browser and choose one browser to default.